Learn how to convert Microsoft Excel to PDF file. It is a very simple process to save as Excel to PDF. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll open the file. So here we have this Microsoft Excel book 1. So this is a file which I have made, and I want this Excel as PDF. So I need to go to this file menu at the very top. We will click on that, and then we have new, open, info, save, and save as. So when you click on save, it will give you a location to save your file, and if you click on save as, it will also give you the same location file to save if you haven't saved this big file earlier. So I'll click on save, and here I'll select the location. So from here at the left hand side we have this PC. We can click on that and we can simply do a double click and we can select the location. So here I have selected the location, and here I have given my desktop, and I'll save it under new file, new folder. So here we need to the file name, you can change the file name, and here we have this save as type. I'll click on that and scroll down and look for PDF. So I can see the PDF is right there. You don't have to do anything. I mean, you don't have to convert or install any software to convert your Excel file to PDF. From Microsoft Excel, MS Excel, you can do that. So I have selected save as type. Let me maximize it. So we need to select this save as type, and then we need to click on save. I have done that, and here we go. I can see if PDF file has been created. So I'll just go to this, and here we have this book 1. I'll just try to open it, and we have this file, the PDF file in front of us. You can do for a lot of pages. No matter you have 10,000 pages or 5,000 pages, it will convert all those Excel file to PDF for you. The only thing which I would recommend, to go to the file menu, and from here try to print it and see how exactly the preview is. So I'll just press Ctrl P so that we can have a quick look at how exactly this will look like in PDF. All right, you can do that. This is the second way actually. Microsoft Print to PDF, we can select that, and then we can click on print, which will actually not print, it will only save it as PDF. So these are the two methods through which you can do that, save as, and by pressing Ctrl P, like Ctrl P, and it will give you a print option, and then you need to select Microsoft Print to PDF. So both the options are easy, you can do that. And please let me know in the comment section how was the tutorial. Have you successfully converted your PDF? I'll see you in the next video. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment. Take care.